In this video, I'm going to show you how IDs and classes work in CSS. So let's say you wanted to change the text format of one paragraph in your HTML document. Classes can be used many times in a HTML document, whereas IDs can be used only once. So let's see how it works. Okay, so first let's add a class to the paragraph. So what you're going to do is type in class equals main text. Now you want to copy this and put it in this paragraph as well. And I want to add an ID to the name of the author. So in this paragraph, you're gonna type in ID equals author text. Now simply copy this and put it in your CSS. For classes, you have to put in a dot before the name of the class, then type the class. Now if I wanted to change the font size to 20 pixels, now both this paragraph as well as this paragraph will be changed. Now let's say I want to justify the text. So you simply type in text align justify. Now you don't need to use text align on both these classes, so you can just remove this. Now I want to change the author text. So in order to change an ID, you have to type in hashtag, then put the author text in. And now if I change the font size here to, let's say, 12 pixels, it will change the font size of the author. 12 pixels is too small. Let's do maybe like 15 pixels. So that's it for classes and ID. In the next video, we'll go through the CSS box model.